How to export iPhone notes. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can export iPhone notes. So in this video, you can export your iPhone notes to anywhere you'd like. So let's begin. First steps first, open up your notes. After you open up your notes, simply head over to any note that you want to export. So let's say I want to export this note right here. So select the note. And after you select the note, on the top right corner, you will see the three dots option, and right besides it, you'll see the share button. Tap on this share button, and after you tap on it, you'll see different options where you can share it. So here you can share it or export it to your WhatsApp as well. You can send it to your Messenger. You'll see different apps. Here you can see the apps itself as well. So if you tap on your Instagram, you can export this note to your Instagram as well. So as you can see, a link will be created. So let me change this. A link will be created and now you can send it. And that's the first app. Now you can also send it as your PDF. You can print it as well. As you can see, there is a print option. If you tap on it, you will be able to print it. You can export it to a printer. And other than that, there are different options as well. You can change it to PDF. You can see web page to PDF option and a lot more option. And that's basically how you export iPhone note on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.